today we're playing World Bird, and now we're like the first time. Alright, let's pause. Okay, guys, so now we are into it. Oh, I also, I don't, I actually flew on this many times, this video. And also I also feel too much. Also, this game is not easy at all, but it's easy if you are very on it, like you are very on it. And now I'm getting screenshots. Oh my god, I get a screenshot, and now gonna this scare our sugar. And now we're gonna jump on this base. What it is, get another sucker, and now we're gonna get out. Oh no, I messed up. Oh my god, this game. This game is too old actually for me, but the quality is not very old. I mean, the quality is normal, like a normal. It looked like normal. I think it looked like normal, but not normal enough. Oh, oh my god! Thank God! Oh my god! Oh, accused. Oh no! I restart those from the beginning. This is too sad because we are actually too no. Yes. Oh. That's too confusing. Too confusing. But if your mind is very faster than me, then you are very good at the game. And let's play, guys. So finally we did it. We did some process, not a lot of process. I'm making another video like it, but I decided to remove it because there's so much music in it, and you know that YouTube will not actually prefer that, and I'm so scared of it. And now I make another video without any music, and this is the only video without with music. But I decided to not make music enough because it's not good actually, and also it's not good for your life. That's also kids don't play music. And let's begin. All the audio here is so loud. As you can see, the audio is so loud here and so ringing, I don't know, ring out here. So, oh, what? It's definitely flying. Ooh, alright. No. Tell me any video with music to remove it, and guys, tell me if there is a video with music, and tell me I will remove it because I don't like music. That's all what I need. I don't know why I didn't like music, but I didn't like music anyways. And now here we go. Oh, oh my god, I was so close to die. Oh my god, I'm doing crazy. Oh no, yes, I got it. Oh my god. God, there's so many IQs. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, thank god. Oh my, this game is too hard, guys. So hard. I want to get the world record. What the get it. No. Yes, gotcha. finally get. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.